first question is, what is the name of the report published by FICCI in the year on Indian media and entertainment? So right answer is playing by the new rules. Mithali Express, a new passenger train which was inaugurated recently, connects Dhaka with which Indian city? So that is New Jalpaiguri, West Bengal. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Earth Hour Day is annually observed on the last Saturday of which month? So option B, that is March. It is important. New bacteria found in the International Space Station has been named after which Indian scientist? So option C, Ajmal Khan. It is very important. Who was Kamalesh Chandra Chakravarti, whose name is news recently? So he is the former Deputy Governor of RBI, and the present RBI Governor is Shaktikant Das, 25th RBI Governor Shaktikant Das, headquarter of RBI in Mumbai, and RBI was established 1935, 1st April, okay, and RBI was nationalized 1949. So remember that points. As per USA, India has been added to the list of countries affected by which disease? So option C, that is African swine fever. That is very important. And the present 46th US president is Joe Biden. It is also important sometimes asked because recently he was appointed. Joe Biden was the 46th president of America. As per World Bank, which country is said to lead economic recovery of East Asian and Pacific economies? So that is China, and the president of China is Xi Jinping. So we know that. What is the theme of the World Development Report 2021? Very important. So that is data for better lives. Option A. Where is the Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology? So Indian Institution of Space Science and Technology is situated at Kerala. Option B. By what percentage the net indirect tax collection in 2020 to 21 has grown over the previous year? And that is 12.3%. Important question. Which organization has released the 2021 Global Food Policy Report? Option D is the correct answer. Headquarter of IMF is Washington DC. Recent CEO is Christina Georgieva. Okay, remember about IMF. eSanta, a digital platform which was launched recently, associated with which type of products? So basically it was aquatic products. Option B is the correct answer. Nora Al-Matroshi has been identified as first female astronaut by which country? Nora is the first female astronaut of UAE. Okay, and the king of UAE is something Rashid. Okay, you can comment us. Santir Ogrosena 2021 is a multinational military exercise that held between which two countries? And option B is the correct answer, India, Bangladesh. With reference to the process of vaccination, what is the full form of AEFI, which seen often in the news? So AEFI stands for Adverse Events Following Immunization. Option B. What is the original name of the Antarctica's Doomsday Glacier which was making news recently? So option A. Which movie won the British Academy of Film and Television Arts Best Picture Award? So Best Picture Award winner in BAFTA was Nomadland. Option A, Nomadland. The Himalayas show different physical and mechanical properties in different direction due to the property of option B, anisotropy. India has entered into strategic partnership in water sector with which country? So that is Netherlands. Okay, you can write down in the comment section who is the present president of Netherlands. Which international organization has proposed imposing solidarity tax on high earners and companies? So that is IMF, and headquarter of IMF Washington DC, and Christina Georgieva is the present CEO of IMF. What is the name of tribal health collaboration that has been launched by the Union Health Minister and Union Tribal Affairs Minister. So that is Annamaya. Okay, option A. What is the name of the experiment in which scientists from Singapore attached electrodes to a Venus flytrap plant? So that is RoboPlant experiment. Option B. Important question. Pre-departure orientation training program for migrant workers which have been seen in the news was launched by which minister? So that is basically External Affairs Minister, Minister of External Affairs. Ayush Ministry signed MOU with which minister to develop a regulatory mechanism for the use of Ayurveda in veterinary section? So option B, Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy. Which Indian state has been reported have been affected by the second wave of bird flu? So that is Himachal Pradesh. What amount of refinance assistance will be provided by RBI to all Indian financial institutions? So that is 50,000 crore. Option B is the correct answer. When it is the International Day of Sports of Development and Peace observed? So that is April 6. Who has been appointed as the 48th Chief Justice of India? It is very important question. Option A, Justice N.V. Ramana. Okay, and it is related with the article number 124. So recently 24th Chief Election Commissioner also appointed. So he is Sushil Chandra. Who have been appointed as the new chairman and managing director of SIDBI? So S. Raman appointed the new managing director of SIDBI. PLI scheme for white goods has been approved recently. What are the goods covered under the tag? So option B, air conditioner and LED lights. The Barak nuclear power plant, which started its commercial operation recently, is situated in which country? That is UAE. Under the Integrated Health Information Platform launched by the Health Minister, how many diseases can be tracked? So that is 33, and previously it was 18. So now it is 33. Option D is the correct answer. Who represented India in the consultation meeting of Education Minister of E9 countries? So basically, the right answer is option D, Sanjay Dhote. Okay, and E9 countries are Bangladesh, India, Bangladesh, China, Brazil, Egypt, India, Indonesia, Mexico, Nigeria, and Pakistan. Okay. Longi Green Energy, which is considered to be the world's biggest solar company, belongs to which country? So it is obviously China. Option B. The president of which country has approved a law permitting him to hold office for 12 more years? So that is Russia. Our Putin sir. Okay, Vladimir Putin. Who is deputy governor in charge of the monetary policy department of RBI? So Dr. M.D. Patra. Which group of companies has become third India to cross USD 100 billion in market capitalization? So recently it was option D, Adani group of company. Which organization has allowed private sector firms to partner in the production of missile system? So DRDO has recently partnered, okay, with private missile system, and headquarter of DRDO is New Delhi, and present chairman of DRDO G. Satish Reddy. And tell me about ISRO chairman and headquarter. Okay, so ISRO chairman K. Sivan, headquarter in Bengaluru. What length of railway section have been electrified by Indian Railways? So that is 6015 kilometer. In which state in India's largest floating solar power plant is proposed? So that is Telangana. Which union minister has launched the All India Survey of Migrant Workers in AQWS? So Minister of Labor and Employment. Which minister released persons with disabilities in India a statistical profile 2021? Minister of Statistics and Programming Implementation. Option C. La Pérouse is a defense exercise to be conducted by which country? So that is France. And who is the present president of France? So that is Emmanuel Macron. Which country has released the world first animal vaccine against the novel coronavirus? So that is Russia. Option B. The Comprehensive Economic Cooperation and Partnership Agreement between India and which country has come into force from 1st April 2021? That is option C, Mauritius. And who is the Prime Minister of Mauritius? Praveen Jagannath. Praveen Jagannath is the present Prime Minister of Mauritius. And Sri Lanka, it is Mahindra Rajapaksa is the present Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. And USA, Joe Biden. Shantir Agrosena 2021 is a joint military exercise between India and Bangladesh. Okay, it is a repeat question. So option C is the correct answer. What is the new inflation target band fixed for the next 5 years? It is 2 to 6%. Very important for bank exams. In which year government e-marketing portal was launched first in India? So that is 2016. The Indian Prime Minister launched the Swarna Jayanti scholarship for the youth of which country? So this is basically related to Bangladesh country, and the Prime Minister of Bangladesh is at present Sheikh Hasina. Which minister has mandated the companies to disclose their investment in cryptocurrencies? The Minister of Corporate Affairs. So this is the 50 questions, and there are some additional question I can add. So which country is set to host the 2-day climate summit of world leaders starting on Earth Day April 22? So that is USA. As per the recent report of IUCN, and what is the status of the smaller lighter African forest elephant? So it is basically option D, critically endangered. Option D is the correct answer. Diksha web portal is associated with which minister? So it is education. Diksha is related to education. So Minister of Education, option A is the correct answer. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Unique Identification Authority of India? That is asked about the Aadhaar card CEO. So option D, Saurav Garg. Very important question. Okay, Saurav Garg was recently appointed as the UIDA CEO. Which Indian legendary singer won the Maharashtra Bhushan Award in the state of highest honor? So that is Asha Bhosle. Option B. When is International Day of Solitary and Detained and Missing Staff Members observed every year? So that is option D, March 25. Every year it is detained and missing staff members observed every year, March 25. Option D. So that's all about the 50 important question of the month of April, and the month of February and January will coming soon. So thank you everyone. Do subscribe for more videos about educational and current affairs and general knowledge. Okay.